Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2011 Subaru Legacy. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 200,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a sophisticated Legacy, the sedan that delivers safety, comfort, and efficiency, as well as an effortlessly smooth ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, premium sound system, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, heated front seat, power driver's seat, steering wheel audio controls. Don't miss out on the advantages this practical and versatile Legacy has to offer. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.